All right, 36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, you have to seat up, Ms. Brew. You can't be walking, talking, eating, drinking, smoking, or driving. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Ms. Drew, could you please sit up, please?
All right, this is People versus Chantel Drew, ticket number SX41777765, count one, limited access 31 plus miles per hour posted speed. The board, if you say your name for the record.
Bob Zaranick for Ms. Drew. Please state your name, ma'am. Please unmute.
Chantel Drew.
Thank you. Judge, today's the day and time set for a formal hearing. This was set at 8:45. My understanding, the officer did not appear. It's 11:18. We're moving for dismissal.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice that the officer has failed to appear. You're on set, Mr. Drew.
Thank you, Your Honor. You're all set. You can sign off, Ms. Drew.
Okay, thank you.
I don't know why Mark Demonte is not coming out. He was in row 15. We should have been done with that one. You guys have an offer for Dudley Dalton and Gabriel Rivers, James Davis. We still got a few more.
Yeah, I'm ready on Dalton.
What about Gabriel Rivers? Are we done ready on that one?
I haven't.
Some people checked in kind of late, so I don't know. So
What number is he?
he is in room number 25.
Okay, I'll have.
I'll go talk to him or her.
She has a number of cases actually. Or she.
Okay.
Just want to set up a trial. I have to go get Mr. Dalton. And I don't know why Mr. Damati is not.
I can go back and tell them to come in.
Oh. All right.
Thirty-six District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, smoking, or in and out of the camera. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Pelway. This is the People versus Mark Demonte, ticket number U636911422, count one, narcotic and drug-related violation. Good morning, say your name for the record.
Rita White on behalf of, please say your name for the record, Mr. Demonte.
Mark Allen DeMatti.
Your Honor, there has been an offer to delay his sentence for 3 months under advisement for the if he pleads as charged, he would like to accept the offer.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Demonte. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything about
Yes.
it in exchange for the plea today? Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you
No.
anything about you in exchange for your guilty plea today? You're pleading,
No,
you're pleading
No,
of your
ma'am.
own free will?
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty? You
Yes,
understand that
ma'am.
by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial? And knowing that you're
Yes,
waiving your
ma'am.
right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to November 29, 2022 at 12:18 p.m. on that day and time where you at or near Yakima and Winchester in the city of Detroit. All right, did you hear that?
I'm sorry, you cut out for a second. The screen went black.
All right, turn your video off. Maybe it'll give you a stronger connection.
Turn the video off. Okay.
All
Okay.
right, I'm directing your attention to November 29, 2022 at 12:18 p.m. on that day and time where you at or near Yakima and Winchester in the city of Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
Were you engaged in a narcotic and drug related violation?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Ms. White?
Satisfied.
Of course, also satisfied factual basis to accept the admission will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Mr. Damati. You're gonna have to come back on your next court date of July 10th at 8:35. When you come back, you need to have paid the fine of $200. Can't get any more tickets, so essentially no further police contact. If you do that, when you come back, this will be dismissed off your record. Do you have any questions?
No questions.
All right, your success, sir. Good luck.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too, sir. Thank you. All right, this is the people versus Dudley Dalton. Ticket number SP 1298633. Count one, drive on license suspended. Ticket number SP 1352788. Count one, drive and register on title vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drove on license not valid, excuse me, or a proper license. Ticket number SP 1185349. Count one, drove on license not valid, proper license. Ticket number SP 114058. Count one, drive with revoked license. Count two, open alcohol with motor vehicle driver. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Let me bring out some officers. Ticket number 214-15686. Count one, drive on license suspended. Count two, drive and register on title vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1186390. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, drive on license suspended. Ticket number 214-15687. Count one, open alcohol in motor vehicle driver. I think that is it. Warning, please state your names for the record, starting with, hold on, Ms. White. If you can go back into room number 2 and tell officers McCree and Nelson to come out, please. With the metro.
Okay,
Maybe just tell
I see.
officer.
Okay. A moment.
All right, thank you. So Officer Spidell, can you say your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal Spidell, Batch 402, Detroit Police Department.
I'm sorry. Officer Nelson, can you say your name, please?
Officer Brian Nelson, Badge 3664, Detroit Police Department.
All right, Corporal McCree, can you say your name, please?
Corporal Jamie McCree, badge 2865.
Go ahead.
Yes, good morning. Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, Mr. Dalton.
Dudley Dalton.
Your Honor, today is a date scheduled for trial, as we see several of the officers have appeared. There has been an offer extended to Mr. Dalton. If he pleads in case ending in 3491, a reduction to failure to display, and then case ending in 7882, the city attorney has authorized a reduction to improper plates. If he is willing to plead to those two counts, chart tickets, the city attorney has authorized a dismissal on the remaining tickets. Mr. Dudley Dalton indicated that he would like to accept the offer.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Dalton. Oh, do you swear or affirm to the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights. Have you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
yes,
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of 1 second. All right. April 6, 2021 at 5:59 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near East Jefferson and Shane in the city of Detroit?
yes,
And were you driving a 2004 Pontiac vehicle?
yes,
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
yes,
All right, you're satisfied, Ms. White?
Satisfied to failure to display. Yeah.
All right, that matter is amended to fail to display. I'm gonna direct your attention to May 12, 2022 at 8:35 p.m. On that day and time, were you at or near, or 8:13 p.m. On that day and time, were you at or near Schaefer and Chalfont in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2009 Chevrolet vehicle?
yes,
Do you have improper plate? I'm sorry. Was that vehicle unregistered or untitled?
yes,
You're satisfied?
Satisfied.
Court will amend that count to improper plate, I believe. And then there is a matter with Officer Nelson. I think he had 2 civil infractions on that and then a misdemeanor. You stipulate your probable cause with ticket number ending in 633.
So stipulated. So stipulated.
All right, that's dismissed without, count 1 is dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of $300 for the improper plates, and then for the failure to display, I'll waive that fine. Can you have the fine? And you already, like I said, you already have some civil infractions that you owe money on. Can you have that fine paid by May 10th?
May 10th, yes, ma'am.
Any questions, sir?
No,
All right, so you are all set. Good luck to you. Thank you, officers. You guys are all set as well.
You're done, Mr. Dalton.
okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, I'm just gonna put this on the record really quickly, Mr. Petway. This is versus Damian Dunnigan, ticket number SP 1168-055, count 1, supply false information or ID to police officer. This was a 3-month delay sentence. The defendant had complied with all the terms of the delayed sentence, and this matter is dismissed with prejudice. All right, Officer Thomas?
Yes, unfortunately, Your Honor, I spoke to drug court, and due to the lack of time remaining on her case, they will not even, she's not going to be accepted.
Oh, okay, so, all right. Sure.
So, I mean, with her case, I mean, I went back and looked at the notes a bit more extensively just to see, and she just got taken off SoberLink in January.
So what is your recommendation, Mr.
I really need to see what the defendant is doing in terms of their current treatment, unfortunately, because I apologize. I was just given this, I only was just given this case basically just the other day, so I haven't had a full time to break it down. With all the positives, I would want something in place. I just don't know what she's doing for treatment right now. So if it's possible, I could speak to her in a breakout room and go back on the record.
This is what we'll do. How about we come back? And that gives you time, Officer Thomas, to speak with Ms. Rowe and see what's going on, and then we'll come up with a plan.
Okay.
So how much time do you need? Want to come back on Friday or?
I think that should work. Does that work for Ms. Roll?
Hold on. I don't work until later in the afternoon, so if it's in the morning time, that's fine.
Friday at 8:35.
We gonna put this on record?
Yeah, we'll go back up. We're recalling Z808167. This people versus Lynette Rowe. We're here for operating on intoxicated probation review. Officer Thomas has indicated that this role would not be accepted to drug court due to the length of time she's been on probation. And so he just got this case, hasn't really had a chance to really know what exactly is going on with Ms. Rowe. So I'm giving them till the 14th, Friday, for him to interview Ms. Rowe, see exactly what treatment she's receiving, how, if any, and then come up with a plan to move on. Was there anything further on behalf of any of the parties?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
You have her number, Officer Thomas?
How about they go into a breakout room?
Okay.
And
Yeah.
he can, here, so I'll put you guys both in room number one, and you guys can get all the information you need when you're done. You can just leave out.
Judge, I just need an offer on James Davis.